Welcome to DJM TV.
Yes, so my correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJM TV. My people, a lot has been happening. Oh. Plenty tori here and there for inside Naija, not be small thing. Hey. Anyway, I think make I quickly drop this update for now. For what is up for just PDP Gov no. If you now see wetin e tell First Lady Remi Tinubu, not be small thing o. My people, I go play una this video now, make una watch and listen wetin this governor tell Tinubu wife. Where I take address everything, make una watch and make una no forget to like and share. Make una watch this video.
Coming in with Her Excellency the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Once again, Her Excellency the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our dear mommy, our mother, Senator Remi Tinubu, CON. Black women, can we welcome her, please? Your Excellencies, while we remain
to this very auspicious occasion, quite historic, and I'd like to say that we are quite fortunate on the platform that Her Excellency chose Plateau State, a state controlled not by an APC government, but an opposition party. Tells a wonderful story that after politicking, we must face governance. And governance is about the people. And once we have laid behind us elections, we must know that we must govern in the fear of God, justly, equitably, for all in society. It was therefore a very pleasant surprise when Her Excellency called that she is burdened about the troubles of the platform. And I want to put on record that I was privileged to be among the first governors to also have audience with Her Excellency. When I visited her and I shared with her the concerns of the plateau, I'm not surprised therefore that she caught the burden and she has decided to respond in a very positive way. The gesture she has made, we didn't go asking. It was her own initiative. And it's part of the Renewed Hope initiative. I know that we have had many programs by First Ladies that have made impact in this nation, but I'm confident that the Renewed Hope initiative is going to surpass them all. We are therefore privileged to be among the first partakers of this wonderful initiative. When we were asked to select 500 families across the troubled local government, we came up with this list. And I'm glad that today she is going to donate symbolically the sum of 1 million naira to each of those families. And let me admonish the beneficiaries at this point that freely you have received, freely you must also share with others. We are a people who are not selfish. We are people who look out for one another. Therefore, it is our desire that those of you who are receiving this gift would know that you are receiving it as trustees for other members of your community. By the grace of God, I want to assure you that as we receive this money, fortunately it's even going into bank accounts directly. We are going to supervise the use of this money, and we are going to ensure that the purpose for which Her Excellency intended it, that it is well executed. Therefore, that we are going to give a good report of the usage of this money, and in hope that we are going to put this money to good use, I have already told Oliver Twist. I have already told our Her Excellency the First Lady that we'll be coming for more. So, on behalf of the people of Plateau State, I want to say, ma, we are most grateful. May the Lord, who put this in your heart, may He replenish the source from which it came. And we pray that God will continue to help you to look after the underprivileged in our society, to continue to show concern. It is not surprising because Her Excellency is a pastor and she has exhibited the heart of a pastor, which is going out in care and concern for those who are in need. May the example she has set become also an example for us to emulate. Her Excellency would want to go back to Abuja as soon as she can, even though we had hoped that we'll detain her for lunch. But it looks like her protocol may not permit. But ma, let me tell you that with what you have done, the people of Plateau State will not forget. And therefore, I want you to know that before long, I will come back on their behalf to invite you to spend a weekend on the plateau. By the grace of God, Plateau will remain the home of peace and tourism. Though there are giants on our way to hinder, but God will give us victory. Thank you for coming to welcome Her Excellency, and I pray that the good Lord who brought you safely will take you and Her Excellency back to our destination safely. Thank you and God bless.
Can we give His Excellency?
DJ